Here's an enticing question for you. How does a newbie with no internet marketing experience create a powerful lead-pulling sales funnel in less than 10 minutes flat with no software, no downloads, and no special training? Hi, my name is Todd Gross, and I have a complete, unbelievable answer for you. It's called the Power Lead System. It's a new system that allows you to create complete sales funnels, including proven lead capture pages, powerful sales pages, and professionally pre-written autoresponder series. Now, you'll find all these tools and so much more in just one place, just one, and it's hosted for you. You don't have to worry about that. Once you've set up your pages using the step-by-step videos, you'll have an easy way to promote your business or keep in contact with your current customers, your current clients or members. For those of you who are more advanced, you could select from various templates to create your own, or get this, you can even start from scratch with the system's easy to fill in blanks. Then you can start gathering free leads for your business, your product, your service, or organization through this completely unique system. You'll not only have all of this at your fingertips, but you will have the power of my PowerStorm team behind you. We offer exclusive training and resources to our members who join us in our Skype room. It's a text chat room where we exchange ideas and generally kick some butt. To discover all this for yourself, just sign up with the PowerStorm team member who sent you here. Get a 7-day free trial by clicking on the button below.